When you need a reliable test and measurement cable that gives you repeatable performance up to 110 gigahertz, look to Stormflex 047EW from Teledyne Storm Microwave. We know that you have applications that require a flexible cable that works at E-band and W-band frequencies. A cable that can withstand handling and flexing and yet still match the original insertion loss and VISWAR performance at frequencies that were previously addressed by waveguides. Meeting this need was what led us to develop the Stormflex 047EW cable. Now that the E and W bands are being used as uplink frequencies in telecommunications, equipment manufacturers are setting up testing facilities that require reliable test and measurement cables that give repeatable performance up to 110 gigahertz. In the past, testing these very high frequencies typically involved waveguides, which did not allow flexibility in test setups. Early attempts at higher frequency flexible cables resulted in fragile, unstable, and high reflection assemblies. Stormflex 047EW was developed to address these very issues. Stormflex 047EW cable is manufactured here in our plant using equipment and processes developed and customized by Teledyne Storm. It builds off the popular and proven Stormflex line and provides the same rugged and reliable performance that our customers have come to expect. By using innovative engineering, we have created a cable that provides stable insertion loss and low VISWAR, even while being flexed. We've subjected these cables to flexing that exceeds the VDE 2622 Part 19 standard, and they meet or surpass all requirements. We know that with so much on your plate, you don't have time to prove all of the performance parameters of a new cable, so we do it for you. Our cable development process includes testing, validating, verifying, and documenting the performance of each new cable design, all done in the same environments where our customers will be using the cables. Every cable that we develop goes through an extensive suite of mechanical, electrical, and environmental testing. This discipline is part of our regular stage gate process. The testing is performed on multiple samples taken from multiple manufacturing lots to ensure that we have real results that will match the cables in your application. Our mechanical testing process includes shock, vibration, flexing, and the application of tensile and compressive loads. Our electrical testing process includes insertion loss, VISWAR, phase, TDR, RF leakage, phase and loss versus flexing, and phase stability versus temperature. Our environmental testing process includes thermal cycling, thermal shock, humidity, outgassing, stress crack resistance, and cold bend. All of these tests cover the typical environments where the Stormflex 047EW cable will be used. The data collected is then published in test reports available from our sales department. Each test report describes the samples used, the test methods, the data collected, the conclusions, and contains pertinent graphs and photographs. We've been designing 50-ohm coaxial cables for nearly 40 years, and we haven't stopped yet. When you need a reliable test and measurement cable that gives you repeatable performance up to 110 gigahertz, look to Stormflex 047EW. From product design through validation, you can depend on Teledyne Storm Microwave.